Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to activate camera audio control on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find audio control. You can set it to say keyword, like say cheese to take a photo, or you can just speak loudly. Let's try out cheese firstly, but if it doesn't work properly, we can just switch it to speaking loudly. So let's try it out. Cheese. 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 Okay, I guess I just can't speak English properly, or I don't know, I can't say cheese properly in Japanese, I mean in Chinese. Then let's set it to speak loudly. Oh, as you can see, now it works properly. Cheese. Still it doesn't hear me. That's how it's done. Well, that's what it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.